Then get up, get dressed before work.
Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV, and today I am playing with one of my units. Now, 2 weeks ago, we had curled this Effy ponytail. This is an afro ponytail, but I wanted to see if it was going to curl up, okay? And to my surprise, this thing curled up. But I really want to wash it. The curls are still soft, as you see, but I really just want to wash it, and the curls are still pretty. But I missed the afro part of it. So I am going to wash this and see if it's going to snap back. Once I wash it, I am going to hang it on the mannequin head, and then I am going to shape it. All right? We're going to take it down a little bit more. So let's get to washing. So since this is a synthetic hair, this is synthetic hair, okay? I'm going to use lukewarm water. All right, so I am using my regular shampoo, which I should have just went and got some inexpensive shampoo, like some BO5 or something like that, because this is synthetic hair. 2 weeks ago, we had put some curls in this hair. Surprisingly, it turned out beautiful. I'm telling you, you never know what you have in a hair unit. So I be putting all my hair units through the test. Now, this hair unit, like I said, is synthetic. And I'm telling you right now, y'all see how I am washing this unit, and the curls act like they don't want to go anywhere. They are staying in this ponytail. So I'm not going to force this unit to do nothing it don't want to do. I'm just going to see what ends up happening. So this is the way it's looking. And because it's taking on a different form, this is sulfate-free Cantu conditioner. I diluted it down. And I am just going to put the rest of that diluted conditioner on there. I'm telling you all, when y'all have these hair pieces, because this is a synthetic hair piece, see what they will do. A lot of times, they will do other things, y'all. Play with the hair pieces. And I'm going to tell you another thing that I do. Any product that I buy that I test for you all that I really don't care for, you can use those products up on your hair pieces. Just use them up on your hair pieces, and that way you will not become a hair junkie. So I think I wanna comb, well, rake this down. Look at that. It wanna hold on to the curls so bad, y'all. It really does. Look at that. This is pretty. So you know what? I think I'm gonna let this just sit. It's shedding a lot. It's shedding a whole lot. See that? I'm going to give y'all another tip. While this conditioner is sitting on this hair piece, I am going to give you all another tip. Let me move it over here. If this is where you wash your, whatever sink you wash your units in, because look how much hair is shedding there. Look at that. Then what I do for all my sinks, but especially the ones I wash my unit in, I put a hair catcher. See that? Take a hair catcher and put it in your sink, especially if you're washing your hair in the sinks. If you're washing your hair in the sink, put a hair catcher there. Now this unit is trying to hang backwards, and I'm gonna let it do it. This is like warm, cool water. It's not warm, it's not cold. It's just in between, lukewarm. Put it to you like that, but more on the cooler side. So what I am going to do is that I am just going to let this unit hang backwards. So all the conditioner is rinsed out of it. I'm just going to let it hang. You're going to let it hang there and drip dry. I am looking forward to seeing what this unit is going to turn into, because before, this unit was a straight afro. This is the way the unit looked when I bought it straight out the pack, and we decided to just add some curls to it, and it ended up curling up. But after washing it, the curls look like they want to stay. And if it's going to hang backwards like this and stay curly like this, I have another idea for how we are going to style this unit. So that is it for today, y'all. You have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below so you will not miss what we end up doing with this Effy synthetic ponytail. I have the bomb.com hairstyle that I am going to wear this ponytail in. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Don't forget to subscribe, hype the video, thumbs up. Thanks for coming by, spending this time with me. Let's get it, let's go. And guess what? I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.
Then get up, get dressed before